Welcome back, guys. Today we're taking a look at the iPhone Magsafe battery pack, which is basically a small lightweight magnetic battery that is designed to give you a little extra juice so that your phone doesn't die on you. First things first, as usual, Apple has hit it out of the park when it comes to integrating this battery pack with its existing product lines. As for the design and build, its simple yet refined design looks great. It feels good in your hand and it fits securely on your phone with a satisfying snap. We'll get into some of the specs and features a little later, but first let's focus on the two main issues that many people have pointed out with this battery pack so that we can address those head on. Issue number one, this battery pack will not fully charge your phone. In fact, depending on your particular model, you can expect between 60 to 80% of extra juice. Sure, Apple could have made a physically larger battery pack, but do you really want a huge brick on the back of your sleek phone? Probably not. Now on to issue number two. The pack only charges at 5 watts wirelessly. Okay, that's not exactly lightning speed, but guess what? It will keep your phone from dying. Now, the nice thing about this battery pack is that it was built for the iPhone, which means there's some useful details worth pointing out. The pack charges with a lightning port instead of a USB-C, and it actually speeds up the charging if you have your phone connected while it's plugged up, which allows you to use this in place of a wired MagSafe charger. I think it's also cool that they have the logo on the back, which just so happens to line up with the logo on the back of your phone, making it easy to line up the pack with the phone itself to get the perfect fit. It tells you the battery level of both the phone and the battery pack, which is not something you're going to get with any of the other third-party products. The Apple battery pack will also be recognized in the batteries widget as well, so if you miss the animation, you can also check your charge status there. So where does that leave us, guys? Who did they make this pack for? If you're a die-hard Apple fan, you want your branding to be as consistent as possible across as many devices as possible, and that's okay. For everybody else, there are numerous other options available, and perhaps we'll focus on those next. So please stay tuned and do us a favor. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more straightforward tech reviews just like this. Thanks again and see you next time.